Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 9 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Herman Miller X Logitech G Vantum Gaming Chair. You can significantly improve the comfort of your gaming setup with the Herman Miller X Logitech G Vantum Gaming Chair. It was created with comfort and support in mind and offers flexibility features to aid you regardless of your task. It was designed with players of all skill levels in mind and is perfect for streaming, performing, and competing. This versatile seat also has the ergonomic support you need for all-day play thanks to its performance build. It maintains your perfect posture, supports your head, neck, and shoulders, and has an active alignment that leans forward. In fact, it offers an adjustable headrest and thoracic support pad. Additionally, it offers breathability through the use of suspension material. You have 3 color options to pick from depending on your gaming preferences. Coming to number 2. Medicoco LED Nasal Therapy Device. You can ease allergic rhinitis symptoms if you have a Medicoco LED nasal therapy device. In an effort to enhance nasal care, it heats and lights the nasal cavity. A dual wavelength low-level irradiator truly treats the allergy symptoms in your nose. Red and near-infrared lights are used to decrease allergy symptoms. Additionally, the heater inside of it promotes blood flow around your nasal cavity. Overall, it gives you the ability to take deep breaths whenever you desire. Every day of use of Medicoco clears blockages, discharges mucus, and relieves stuffy nose in about 3 minutes. Put the mask on, turn it on, and take 3 deep breaths. You will feel a lot better if you only do it once per day. Coming to number 3. Gimbal Stabilizer for Smartphone. The enhanced brushless motor and iSteady 3.0 anti-shake algorithm on the iSteady X folding gimbal for iPhone may dramatically lessen shaking and produce smooth film. You can always get steady, clear videos whether you're walking or sprinting. Try out the Moment mode of iSteady X with the HomeKit Pro app. In the Moment mode, there are 7 one-tap templates accessible, including Inception, Dolly Zoom, time-lapse, and panoramas. With just one click, this phone gimbal stabilizer can automatically rotate to 270 degrees or 180 degrees, giving you the aesthetically spectacular Inception photographs. The ideal companion for vloggers of any experience level. With a maximum payload of 0.62 pounds, the iSteady X is the world's lightest 3-axis portable smartphone gimbal stabilizer and weighs less than 0.57 pounds. Coming to number 4. Lerou World's first finger simulated head massaging robot. The head ring is lightweight, adjustable, and made of a range of high-quality materials. For practically every adjustment, there are fixed slots that can accommodate different head sizes. The massage robot is also kept from slipping thanks to it. It automatically spins in one direction for 30 laps back and 10 laps forward. 7 minutes is the recommended time for each massage. The head ring of the ergonomic massage robot, which weighs only 350 grams, will be placed close to the back of the skull to secure it firmly at the head. The 450 mAh battery in the Lerou robot allows it to run continuously for 3 hours and for up to 10 hours in standby mode. Coming to number 5. Olight Warrior Mini 2 Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. A proximity sensor will decrease higher light outputs if they are blocked by close objects. If the object is too close for 1 minute or more, the light will turn off automatically to add an extra measure of security. Hold the side switch down for 3 seconds after turning off the light to lock out all operations. Due to specific engineering, a short circuit cannot unintentionally activate the tail switch. When entering the moonlight mode for the first time or when it is in lockout mode, hold down the side switch for a prolonged period of time. Includes a fresh 2-way pocket clip. The side switch gives users access to 6 different light modes for regular use. It is small enough to fit in your pocket at 4.65 inches long. The charging cable is conveniently magnetically fastened to the flashlight's tail. Removes the requirement for manual plug-in. Coming to number 6. Oluminate OlumiRing LED Smartphone Light. To improve the efficiency of virtually any form of content creation, use the OlumiRing LED Smartphone Light from Oluminate. Whether you're using a laptop, smartphone, camera, or desktop PC, it will easily clip to your device. Use the OlumiRing LED smartphone light from Oluminate to make practically any content-producing task easier. Its interior is lined with soft silicone. Whether you're using a laptop, smartphone, camera, or desktop PC, it will easily clip to your device. It is ideal for applying makeup due to its smooth silicone interior lining and 3 light modes. There is a softening diffuser as well. The rechargeable battery allows you to use it constantly for at least an hour. The last 40 ultra-bright LEDs are divided into 20 cold white LEDs and 20 soothing warm white LEDs. Coming to number 7. Tickle. Learn to code drones, robots, and make apps and games. By shifting a few code blocks, you can add intelligence to the autopilot of your air drones and manage smart homes. Tickle supports a full programming language that incorporates complex concepts taught in computer science classes at prominent universities like Harvard and UC Berkeley. Learning to create video games like Angry Birds and Flappy Bird can improve your creativity, logical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Coming to number 8. Ivy Smarter Kit. Apple HomeKit. The NanoLeaf Smarter Kit is one of the first lighting systems that enable HomeKit. You can quickly and securely control the lights in your home with an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch thanks to Apple HomeKit technology. Using your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch and the NanoLeaf Smarter Kit with Siri, you may voice command your light. The NanoLeaf Smart Hub and NanoLeaf Smart Ivy light bulbs communicate via the low-power, encrypted Zigbee protocol. People have never been able to live more wisely with light and control since early man learned how to regulate fire. Suitability for Android. Coming to number 9. AMVR VR Full Body Tracking Straps. The set of AMVR tracker strap consists of 5 straps for your full body trackers in a variety of VR games and applications, including VR Chat, Hi-Fi, Final Football, etc., helping you to firmly secure the trackers to your body so that they won't come off. The length of the straps can be changed. The waist belt is suitable for those with waist sizes between 64 and 94 centimeters. It is made of elastic embossed leather, increasing the surface area of friction between the strap and the tracker and improving stability and vibration absorption. The elastic embossed leather increases friction, making it more difficult to remove. The wrist strap's non-woven material is plush, breathable, and comfortable. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.